Hi everybody, Mr. Beltran here. Today we're going to work a little bit more on volleying. Remember, volleying is when you're hitting the ball before it touches the ground. Okay, you can use a paper ball, all right, a stuffed animal ball, or if you have a balloon, you can use a balloon. Okay, any of those things will work out just fine for today. Okay, you're going to be volleying now to a partner. Now, if you don't have a partner, that's okay. I'm actually going to be using a wall. But if you do have someone else that you can do it to in your house, you can do the exact same thing with another person, okay? But if you don't, I'm going to be using a wall. Just make sure that you find a wall that is safe to use, okay? Ask your adult, whether it's a mom, a dad, a grandma, a grandpa, whoever is the adult in your house, you can ask them to make sure that it's okay that you use that, okay? I'm going to take my stuffed animal ball today, and I'm going to start with my palm, and I'm going to volley against the wall. So I'm going to be facing the wall here, okay? Nice and easy. With my palm, I'm just going to hit that ball against the wall. That's all it is. Okay, I'm hitting the ball before it touches the ground. Okay, this is volleying, one at a time. Okay, now as you get good at it, now you can try to do it in a row. How many in a row can you do with your palm? Okay, so back and forth here, trying to hit it with my palm against the wall. All right. If you mess up, if it falls, pick it up, try again. Okay, so you have to kind of see how far you need to go. I'm only about my arm's length away from here. That way I don't have to hit the ball too hard. If I go too far away, I'm going to have to hit it a little bit harder and the ball might go all over the place. Okay, so I'm a little bit closer to the wall. Okay, you have to kind of figure out how far away you need to be successful at this. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch it up now. Let's practice the back of our hand now. Let's do one at a time first. Okay, so I'm using the back of my hand one at a time. If you can, try to catch it before it falls, but if not, no big deal, okay? Using that back of the hand to volley the ball here against the wall. After you do a few of these, then let's go ahead and move on to doing it in a row, okay? Back of the hand, how many in a row can you do? Here we go, all right? Oh, there goes my ball going over here. I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Always make sure that you have a little bit of space around you. That way you're not knocking anything over in your house, okay? So I know every once in a while, oh, see, the ball kind of goes to the sides a little bit, so you got to make sure that you're in a safe space when you do this, okay? Okay, so we're volleying with the back of our hand against the wall. Oh, there goes my ball. Okay, see how many in a row you can do before it falls down, all right? Now, the fist, remember when you make the fist, we're going to try to hit it right here on this flat part where your thumb and your index or pointing finger are, okay? So let's do one at a time here. Holding that ball right here, going to hit it right against the wall. We'll just do one at a time here. After we've practiced this for a few times, then we're going to switch to doing it in a row. All right. So after I've done this a few times, I've gotten used to it. I think I'm ready. And now I'm going in a row. Oh, that was 3 in a row. Let's try it again here. Oh, that one didn't go off the wall. All right. So remember, you can always pause the video if you want to practice it a little bit. If I'm going a little too fast, pause the video, practice on your own again, and then when you're ready, you can always play the video again. Okay? Or if you need to rewind the video and practice the other ones again, that's okay too. Okay? The whole point here is to be practicing your volleying, trying to hit that ball before it touches the ground. All right, let me do a couple more here. Now, again, I said if you're doing this to a partner, you can just, instead of a wall, you can have your partner over here, and you can be hitting it, and they can be hitting it back to you, and you can be hitting it back to them, okay? But if you don't have a partner, like I don't have a partner right now, I'm just doing it to the wall. All right, oh, on the ground. All right, let's practice one more. Remember that forearm pass? We're using our forearms, elbow to wrist, okay, on both sides. We're going to put our hands together. I'll put this down real quick. We're going to put our hands together, okay, keep those arms straight, and we're trying to hit it right here on the forearms as we do it. Now this one's a little trickier. I'm going to have to kind of toss the ball first and then get my arms ready. Okay, so you kind of got to do it quickly to get started. Okay, so I'm going to hold my ball up right here. I'm going to toss it up, get my arms ready, and hit it against the wall. All right, and now it's just one. Okay, again, here we go. Toss it up and hit it. If you notice, I'm not using my arms, I'm not swinging my arms too quickly or too hard. Okay, they're moving just a little bit here. Okay, one at a time, forearm pass. against the wall. Okay? And then, again, just like the rest of them, once you get used to it, you can try seeing if you can do 2 or 3 or 4 in a row. Okay? Arm pass. Try your best to hit it off the forearms. You don't want to hit it on the hands for this one, okay? This is the part that you want to be hitting the ball with your forearms. All right, let me try one more time here. Oh, there we go. Oh, that one fell down a little bit. All right. So what I want you to do is once you get off this video, I want you to practice all of those again for about 5 minutes, okay? So I want you to practice the palm, I want you to practice the back of the hand, I want you to practice the fist, and then I want you to practice that forearm pass, okay? So practice all of those, seeing how many times you can volley it against the wall or to your partner before it touches the ground. Okay, if you make a mistake, that's all right. That's why we're practicing. Okay, and then I will see all of you next time.